Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the Chrome app on your computer. So open your default browser. Say suppose you're using Windows, then you can open your Edge browser. And if you're using your Mac, then you can go to a Safari browser. Once you are there, just type in chrome.com, which will take you to this Google Chrome page where you have this option to download. Based on your computer operating system, it will automatically display you the right version. What you need to do is you need to just click on download Chrome and it will start downloading. So you can see the Chrome has been downloaded. I will just open the folder and it will open the Chrome setup file. So what I need to do is I need to just double click and run the online installer, which will install the Chrome automatically. So once the Chrome is installed, downloaded and installed, you would be able to see the Chrome icon appearing in your start menu, and you can just search for it in your start menu. So yeah, the Chrome browser is automatically launched, and you can even search here in your search bar for the Chrome and it will appear. So in this way you can download and install the Chrome app on your computer. I hope this helps. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.